Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete playlist on YouTube. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google YouTube and you need to open YouTube application first. So once you open, you simply need to click on library. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see your playlist. And here you can see that I have created only one playlist, and here you can see three dots. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see two options, delete and edit. So I want to release, you simply need to click on delete. So now you can see that my playlist is deleted. Let me refresh this to show you. Here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can delete playlist on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.